Thank you. The Dialogue Fiji Executive Director, Mr. Lau, Journalism Coordinator of the University of the South Pacific, Dr. Salender Singh, the Deputy Chief Attorney General of Arizona, who I believe probably listening in through Zoom or is not here today, newsroom editors from the Fiji mainstream news media organizations, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, a very good morning to you all. It is my privilege to be present here this morning to be accorded a seat amongst my fellow notable speakers at this report launch and panel discussion to speak on matters which government holds in the highest regard, that is journalistic freedom, freedom of expression, and media regulation. The government recognizes the pivotal roles the media plays in Fiji in ensuring the circulation and responsible reporting of information, as was witnessed during the events of COVID-19 pandemic and most recently the 2022 national general elections. That being said, the government reaffirms its support of a free, independent and responsible media. And as expressed by government, the Media Industry Development Act 2010, MIDA, will be reviewed, or may I say, will be repealed, will be amended, and with assistance of the committee that will be established to review the act. I know that the words may have been expressed earlier by the Minister for Information regarding the review. Let me be crystal clear. This act will be reviewed or amended, and it is a top priority of the government. There is currently no set time frame for when the review is to be completed. However, as I said, it is a priority of the government. We encourage robust journalism and urge journalists to practice fair and balanced reporting, and most importantly, allow for the right of reply at all times. I commend Dialogue Fiji and those that contributed to the compilation of the report, which entails the evolution of the media industry under MIDA and for the convening of this important event. The report provides an insightful commentary on MIDA, drawn from relevant scholars and experts, and will be a helpful resource when reviewing MIDA. I look forward to the robust deliberations by our fellow notable speakers, congregated for the media, civil society, and legal fraternity in the panel discussion. The newly launched report on MIDA is also specifically designed to empower the media fraternity and serve as a useful manual on promulgating media laws in the future. I would also like to commend the representatives and stakeholders of the media industry who have gathered here today. The government stands as a committal partner as it will embrace a consultative approach in reviewing MIDA in due course. Let it be known, as Attorney General, Mr. for Justice, I do not want to be too involved in this particular legislation. If it is administered by the Minister for Information, in my personal and professional view, it's only that relevant ministers should be empowered by law to deal with those matters. I know that this report, launch and panel discussion program will be available exercise for the media fraternity in terms of gaining practical insights and know-how pertaining to journalistic freedom, freedom of expression, responsible journalism, and reporting and the media regulation. In closing, thank you once again for the opportunity to be part of the program and the panel member of this morning's discussion. It is spaces such as this that greatly contribute to the review and development of policies and laws for the ultimate benefit of the Fijian people. We look forward to your continued partnership and furthering the discussion that will be here today. Thank you.